Did you know 87% of millionaires are self-made? Yet, most people still think wealth is about luck or inheritance. But here's the truth: the ultra-rich play a completely different game, using hidden strategies that most of us never even consider. And if you don't know the rules, you can't win. Stick around, because today, we're revealing the secrets the super rich don't want you to know. When we think of the super rich, we picture billionaires, CEOs, and tech moguls. But what really sets them apart? It's not just hard work, it's a completely different mindset and approach to money. And once you understand it, you can start applying these same strategies to your own life. Let's break it down. The super rich don't just work hard, they work smart. Here's how they do it. Using debt as a weapon. While most people avoid debt, the wealthy use it to buy income-generating assets like real estate and businesses. Thinking in decades, not days, they don't chase quick wins. Every move they make is about long-term wealth building. Building influence, not just income. They don't just network, they build relationships that open doors to massive opportunities. Obsessive learning. The wealthy are always leveling up by reading, investing in mentors, and staying ahead of the game. Owning instead of earning. They don't just work for money, they own businesses, stocks, and assets that keep paying them forever. Here's the ultimate secret that will blow your mind: the super rich don't work for money. They make money work for them. The biggest difference? They focus on cash flow over income. While most people trade time for money, the rich buy assets that pay them every single month, whether they work or not. This is why they get richer while others stay stuck in the grind. So what does this mean for you? It means the game isn't rigged, it's just played differently at the top. If you start shifting your mindset from working harder to working smarter, from spending to investing, from chasing paychecks to building assets, you'll start seeing real financial progress. We've broken down the hidden strategies of the ultra-wealthy, from leveraging debt to building cash flow and long-term vision. The biggest takeaway? Wealth isn't about luck, it's about knowing the right moves. Start applying these today, and your financial future will never be the same. Which of these secrets was the biggest eye-opener for you? Let me know in the comments. And if you're serious about financial success, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my next video where we dive even deeper into the wealth building playbook. See you there.